Hey traders, quick TON update. TON is making moves up 8% in the last 24 hours and now trading around $1.38. But here's what's interesting. Trading volume is also strong, which usually means real momentum, not just hype. So what's next? Is this the start of a bullish breakout, or just another trap before a pullback? If buyers keep control and volume stays high, TON could push even higher. But if momentum fades, we might see a quick dip. Stay alert. This is a key moment for TON. Also, quick update. We've just released our latest TON, crypto price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for TON. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.